want you, baby. I'll always want you, darling. I'll always want you, even if you just can't survive. Oh, I want you dead or alive.
My house is a total mess, so I set a timer for 2 hours and tried to get as much done as I could. I didn't finish everything, but I got a lot done. It's amazing what you can finish if you set a timer and you have a goal that you're working towards and you can just hustle and get it done. If you haven't tried that, you should try it. And you should also subscribe to my channel. My name's Chelsea Cush. I do cleaning videos, decluttering videos, and videos for messy moms just like me to get motivation to clean your house. I am in desperate need of decluttering my kids' toys, but I have no time right now, so all I'm doing is literally getting all the toys and throwing them in the toy bin, and I'm gonna worry about it later.
In fact, the love is gone, no more word to say. There's nothing more to do for you. There's nothing you can do to take me away. There's nothing more to do to take me away. In fact, the love is gone, no more word to say.
Now, I'm not gonna bore you with taking down the whole entire tree, but yes, it's January, mid-January, and I still have my tree up. I've been super lazy and I'm finally just over it and I'm ready to just throw everything in the basement and chop our tree up and go burn it in our fire in the backyard. So mid-vacuum, it got clogged, so I had to stop my timer and start taking out all the nastiness that was stuck in there, so that kind of like set me back a little bit.
Feel me in the darkness.
And you already know that I gotta put my diffuser on and set the mood. If you don't have a diffuser, like you really need to get one. This blend will have you obsessed. It's lavender, stress away, and orange. It's literally the best smell ever. It's so relaxing, and no more candles are being burned in my house. They're toxic. Watch the documentary Stink if you don't believe me. And if you're interested in oils, message me on my Instagram or DM me or send me an email and I can get you some information on some really good oils that I use and I love and I swear by.
I'm hopeless in the crossfire. There's nowhere to go. I'm holding my desires. My heart overflows. The only direction that I'll ever need is a deeper connection that's leading me. And I'm lost in your love when you hold me. Just hold me, 'cause I don't wanna run from your heartbeat. Your heartbeat, no, 'cause I'm lost in your love.
So now I'm just spraying down my coffee table with my favorite natural cleaner because it was like super nasty and sticky. And I always have my kids help me clean because the cleaner I use is safe and it's natural, and I am also a distributor for the cleaner and the oil. So if you're interested, just send me a message and I can like send you a sample. I'm obsessed with it. It smells like cinnamon and it kills all the nastiness that's lurking in your home, and it's completely safe. Okay, please tell me I am not the only person that doesn't do laundry sometimes for a whole week. Tell me I'm not the only one. We have clean clothes, we have so many clothes, but I just get so overwhelmed and sometimes I just don't do laundry, so I'm stuck with this huge pile and it sucks. So I guess I need to learn from my own lessons, or maybe just get rid of some clothes. So we had to pause because my kids are being super needy, and so is my dog. She won't leave me alone.
You need me now?
No, you guys won't leave me alone, right?
You need me now?
He was trying to lick my phone. And Luna, he wants to lay with me. What's your close-up, Luna? Hi.
Even the stars between us won't marry us. One day we can be together. And this moment could last forever. I say that you and I have found a piece of heaven. So I pray we can be together.
So the last thing I get to clean is our kids' bathroom, our guest bathroom, and it is just not cute. So I'm gonna just run through there, clean it as fast as I can because my timer is almost up.
We found love in separate ways. Heartbreak is a wonderful price to pay. We came so far through our weakness. We found a love, even the stars between us won't marry us. One day we can be together.
So I'm not doing a deep clean, I'm just doing a quick clean, and I'm using the same all-purpose natural cleaner and also like a DIY mirror cleaner that I made with the same cleaner that I'm using, and it works really good.
So I pray
And I couldn't find my gloves, so I'm not using gloves. Don't judge me. All right, guys, I'm finally done, and I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but if you're a mom, you know how it is with the kids, so I did my best. I got the bathroom cleaned, I got the living room cleaned, and most of the Christmas stuff cleaned up, so I'm happy. That's fine with me, you know. I'm hiding in the bathroom. Okay, well, I'll see you guys next week with another video. Thanks for watching.